everyone, let's have a quick look at my new Nokia E7. Yeah, baby. So it's a cool phone, and it comes with a Symbian operating system. Now people are really buying Android, but I prefer this phone because of some reasons that I'm going to show you now. So as you see, it's got an AMOLED screen with the Gorilla Glass, and it's a 4-inch screen. It's got a qwerty pad, and it also has a 8 megapixel camera, so that's pretty cool, and comes with internal 16 gigabytes memory, and it comes in a variety of color, but I got a message. Alright, so it comes with a 60 MHz processor, so that's pretty decent. Now let me show you some things that I like about this phone. Now the voice is pretty cool. Let's have a quick look at the accessories first. I got a USB data cable and a charger as usual, HDMI port, and a USB port. So now this USB port is really cool. I can connect my pen drive here and attach it to the phone and transfer anything that I like. And it comes with a very cool headphones. These headphones have a play pause button, keys to change the tracks, and also volume controls and hold in functions. Alright, now let's have a look at this phone. Alright, nice design, slim, looks pretty fine. Now in this video I will show you, first of all, let's have a quick look at the music test. Alright, I'll open the music player. Alright, here it is. You can shuffle and select the music that you want to listen to. Alright, let's check this out. The headphone quality is really nice, so if you buy this phone you will really enjoy the music. Alright, now let's see, I'm going to show you the video quality of this phone. Alright, so it comes with a pre-installed videos. Alright, the touch is really fine. I really have tried some touch phones, but I really enjoy this touch. So let's have a look at this video. Alright, as you can see, the video quality is really nice. If you're watching it in real, it's even better. It is HD, so it's really fun if you can download some movies and watch it. Looks pretty nice. Alright, so now I'll show you the games. That's my favorite section because I love games. Now there are a few games that I got here. Let's see. Let's check out Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Old school. Not bad. Alright, let's skip this intro and let's come to the gaming part. Now I've seen many videos on YouTube, they show that loading thing really sucks, but loading is pretty amazing. I don't know why they make these hate videos. Alright, I'm a noob because I haven't really started playing this game. Alright. Okay. Here comes Peter Parker. Alright, let's skip this thing. Alright, you see you got 3 controls here and 1 motion control. Works really fine. And this one to throw the webs. You can punch this and swing the webs, and here you go. Alright, so let's beat some bad guys. Alright. Alright. Whoa. Alright, so this is it. Let me show you another game quickly. Let's check out Asphalt. Another thing about this phone is the battery backup of this phone is the talk time. The talk time of this phone is 9 hours, so that's pretty decent. Alright. Alright, let's play this game. Alright, let's have a quick race. Alright. Sorry, it is Asphalt. Alright. So we have 2 brakes here and a nitrous booster here, and you got this game control. Works really fine, very smooth. I was wondering, you really need a keypad to play games, but you know, this thing is really an exception. I'm not really a pro at this, but that's it. You can drift. Yeah. So this is it. This is my Nokia E7. If you really want to buy this phone, so you should go for it. You know, it's a really cool phone. It has a good memory. You can load a lot of songs, games, videos, movies, and has a good camera too. So if you're really going for a phone, I'd recommend you go for E7. Otherwise, yeah, there are too many cool touch phones out there like Samsung Galaxy S2 or LG Optimus, whatever, you know. But I went for this phone, so I'm really enjoying it for the moment. So if you want to go for this phone, sure do. Thanks for watching the video.